Hi guys, I'm going to try out this little boomerang that I picked up in a charity shop for 50p. It's only one of those holiday novelty things. Jumbara, magic or good luck boomerang, handheld and painted in Australia. Well, there's a bit of a breeze going. I'm holding the camera out of the breeze at the moment, I hope, but as soon as I move it's going to be too windy to hear me talk, so we'll see what we can do. Got to say, it's actually working better than I expected it to. Usually these are completely junk. Wind's a bit gusty, coming and going. That's a bit better. Well, that was better. You might notice, depends how the camera's catching my throwing, I am throwing it like this, but it's instantly turning itself flat. I'm also trying different pivot points, from right down here to right up here. looks like about the midpoint is working the best. That had me worried. That was up into the sun, couldn't see it coming back. Well, for 50 pence it's kept me occupied. I got some fair flights out of it, not good ones, but better than I expected.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.